Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the gravy guy. It's Saturday, so I'm going to walk you through another delicious homemade sauce. This week's recipe is a Salsa Verde. It's quite easy to make, so let me show you how. First off, round up your tomatillos. This is what they look like, and you'll need 1.5 pounds or 0.68 kilos. That's roughly about 6 to 7 tomatillos. Remove the outer skin, wash them, and drop them into the pot. Next up to bat, 4 serrano chili peppers. Serranos are a medium heat chili pepper originating from Mexico. At this point in the sauce making process, you have two options. First option is to make a spicy salsa verde. If you go this route, leave the white internal membrane and seeds of the serrano peppers. Your second choice is to make it a mild salsa verde by removing the white internal membrane and seeds from the peppers. Snag 1 white onion that's been chopped and add it to the mix. To this you'll add 4 cloves of garlic. Pour in enough water to cover all of the ingredients. I used about 3 cups or 750 milliliters. Make sure that all of the ingredients are well covered by the water. Crank your burner up to medium to high heat and bring it to a boil. Once it starts to boil, you can turn down the heat to low and simmer for 8 to 10 minutes uncovered. After the allotted cooking time, this is what you should have. The liquid should be reduced and the veggies should be soft. The next step in the salsa verde making process to blend the sauce. Begin by adding 1 nice handful of cilantro to the blender. Pour the tomatillo mixture, liquid and all, into the blender. Add 1.5 teaspoons of salt and 1 tablespoon or 15 milliliters of freshly squeezed lime juice. Hit the spice rack and add 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Crank up that blender and blend until the salsa is as smooth as you like. Remember those meals that made you feel at home? Well, they're back with the Sauce and Gravy channel's second cookbook, Comfort Foods Made Simply. Filled with scratch-made classics you'll be proud to serve. Creamy sauces, slow simmered flavor. No cans, no shortcuts, just real cooking. Step-by-step recipes, real ingredients, and QR codes to transport you to free video tutorials to help guide you. Cook with confidence, share with love. These are the meals they'll never forget. See the link in the video's comment and description section to order now. Real comfort starts now. After a few minutes of blending, your salsa verde should look like this. It should be smooth and fairly liquidy. Hang in there, you're nearly done with the salsa making process. Place a high-sided saucepan on a burner over medium to high heat and add 2 tablespoons or 15 milliliters of a neutral oil of your choice. Whenever the oil's piping hot, pour in the salsa verde and be very careful, it'll spit and sputter. Bring the sauce to a light simmer, then reduce the heat and cook for 20 to 25 minutes or until the salsa verde is as thick as you like. And that's it. That's all there is to it. That's how you make a homemade salsa verde. You can pour it into a jar, save it for later, or have it on the spot. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, please hit the like button. And hey, you know what? If you found it helpful, share it with your friends. They might find it useful too. Thanks again for watching. And remember, until next Saturday, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.